Hey guys, so you guys are looking at this. Today I'm
Not
doing a
really.
challenge. I had to end my first video because my mom texted me that.
Have a good time. What a ball is it? Or where do you get that ball from? Oh, I can't make that. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Don't mind my family, my cousins.
Excuse me,
Well, I need to
Miss
text my
Mama.
mom because if I text my mom on here, my video gonna end.
You will say don't text me yet. Bro! Do you have Auntie Crystal number? Auntie Crystal, yes.
Yeah, I like my cousin Case.
You got, how many kids do you have, girl?
She got
one on Christmas. I mean, not Christmas, Christmas, because it's Christ, Jesus Christ's birthday. Tamayo friend don't like Christmas.
What she say? What she say?
She said, why you say and okay?
What she say?
She did this. Why you say and okay?
Because she texted me and said, no practice tonight. They changed it.
Why didn't y'all have practice? Oh, you don't know. Jamar, put her down. That's what you mean.
I don't know.
She is not mean. She just don't want to be bothered, bro.
What's up about you crying today? Why did you move?
What do you mean?
Like you moved seat.
No, I went back to my original seat.
For what?
Because Link was sitting in the same spot that I was. Where she's supposed to sit. Hey!
For what? Why was
No.
she sitting in your spot?
Hey! Stop it. Go get Granny, Alana. Well, these things ain't gonna work. Go get Granny.
Okay, I'm giving these to Taylor.
Oh.
Here, Bo.
That's the only thing that would stop her from crying.
I tried to put it in.
All the juice is on my nose.
Uh-huh.
I mean my thingy.
Your lip.
No, the top right here.
Why did Garrett use your rag this morning? He said, this is my rag. You were like this. Kizzy. Is you happy that he gone? Like that? I'm not really. Because we never get to see him a lot. Like, we only see him like 2 times or something. But we see you definitely a lot. Dang. I'm going to put my phone on. Because I'm about to FaceTime my sister.
Aria, stop.
Give Taylor one more crack.
Y'all, don't use that plug in there because it don't work. In the living room.
They all gone now, Taylor.
Hey, come on.
No, the bag was already like halfway there when we got here.
How do I fill my pencil?
That's what you just said. Did you get it in my backpack?
Yeah. What the frick? What the frick?
It's right there.
Oh.
What you say?
I said, what the frick? Have you ever, have you ever had this experience that you had to watch your brother for like 20 or 30 minutes while your parents was gone?
No.
His mama pranked him yesterday. Because she hid under the cover. And he didn't know.
She went over there, she scared me, she went like this. Oh, I'm jumping on my.
You didn't scare her?
Huh?
She had to change grade with
I mean, you
diapers.
didn't see her?
No, cause at first she was.
How you didn't see her body?
Cause I was in the den. I was in the
What was
bathroom.
Gary?
Gary was a part of the whole time.
Where was he?
He was in the den. He told me to come, and I went cover. And I went. He told me to cover that kid. Taylor.
Oh! Mama, and you still steady eating?
Cause I'm not.
Because I'm going to let Granny deal with it.
Oh, you in trouble now. You're definitely in trouble.
No, he's finna get a whooping. I was kidding.
Granny said he was start you.
Hmm?
He grabbed this. He grabbed this. He grabbed this.
I was eating.
Did he grab this, y'all?
Mm-hmm. I was eating.
I just saw him grab it. Did he grab it? Kenzie? Kenzie, did he grab it? He went like, oh. Hey, why you do that to? Now, where do we have to put these?
Boo! You was there, Kenzie?
Where?
You was there?
When?
When Auntie Tiffany played tomorrow.
I called her.
When Auntie Tiffany played tomorrow.
He FaceTimed me.
Now, she just scared me out of nowhere.
I was like, wait.
I could call my sister.
Bye, guys.